done. This is the assets add short-term item section. So they can click on here, they can add an item, and that'll go get stored in the reducer. We also have the welcome. Oh, that's a little messed up. I'm gonna have to figure that out later. Now what we need to do is work on building the next add item, which if we go over here, so we've got assets, short-term assets, and then these are the investment assets. So they're investments. It's very similar to this one. So initially, what we're gonna do, we're just, I really don't want to make a new style, but I will. I'm just gonna copy over, and we'll make a completely new one. But after making it, I should be in a position where I better understand how I could mix them and just create my master wonderful component. But initially, I just have to build them all as separate components. So I'm going to new file, investments assets. I'll call it .js, and I'm going to go into my wizard. In the wizard, I'm going to pull in investment assets. Okay. And let's see here. Okay, so we are just going to be copying all of this. This is just the same thing, except it's going to be investment assets. And then I'm going to go else null. So I got to throw my little else statement there. Now we're going to bring that in. Assets, these will be, I'm going to call it investments. Call it savings for the long term. And let's see here. So that's the header, should be the same, and it is rendering investment assets. Okay. And investment assets is the same. The count, I have to change the count here. Else count equals 2. So now on count 2, so we'll have changed this up to count 2. And it should render this. So I'm just going to set the state up here for 2 because that's what I'm working on building. And whoops, that looks bad, but we'll see if it gets fixed. Wow, this is really slow. Sorry about this. I hope you're able to fast forward it. But I don't want to pause the video and then have trouble figuring it out. Okay, so investment assets. Investment assets, so why is it not? It must be spelled wrong. So, looks like it's the same. Investment assets. Oh, we don't have anything. I'm going to copy all of this. So this is what I really don't like to do when I copy it and it's super similar, but there's going to be some little changes, so that's why I'm going to eventually build out my master component, which will hold everything. Okay. Oh, and it's saying it's got to be wrapped in a closing tag. That's weird. So, oh, it's because I don't have my opening tag right there. Let's see, moment of truth. Oh man, this is so slow. Come on. I don't know. Okay, so we have the header wrapped in a closing tag, else null, count is 2. Investment assets. It's all of this. Yeah, I don't know what's going on. If I click into this, that doesn't work. I'm so frustrated. Okay, so we're in the wizard, wanting to render investment assets. I'm just going to take that out for now. Maybe that's the problem. Okay, so investment savings for the long term. For some reason, it's really grumpy about this investment assets. Import investment assets from investment assets. Okay, over in here, it's being exported. And so in the wizard, yeah, we've got it. So it shouldn't be a problem. But it is a problem. Oh my goodness. Okay, I gotta pause.